so good. And Rona, of course, is cooking because she loves to cook.
Yes, super.
And maybe a few beers to go with this.
Yeah, later.
We decided to go for an evening walk tonight, and you know where we are? So let's go explore. We just want to find somewhere to eat and just have a look around because I haven't been here for a while. Just wandering through looking for somewhere to eat and have a look around it. It's a really nice night. We'll find some place. There's a few places up here, so we'll check them out and decide. That's the new Ayala Central block at the end of the road up there.
Let's go there after.
Okay, after we eat.
Okay.
This is a really nice part. It's always been busy all through the pandemic. Because I came here even during the lockdown and it was busy. Lots of cafes, places to eat.
This is Ayala Mall Central Block, the new Ayala here in IT Park. So look at that. So the one is at the hotel. Okay, so we're gonna cross there. So it's big.
Now we're entering the Central Park in the center of the IT Park, and here there's lots of places that are open for food. Just next to us is the Social, which I've never seen closed. It's the first time I've ever seen it closed in years. But then over towards the right we have Cebu Mercado, which is just a conglomeration of 50 or 60 little food and drink stalls. And notice they've roped off the park, which is first time I've seen them do that. Buffalo wings, and we might go into buffalo wings and enjoy some.
Yeah.
Menu. We're just upstairs about to have our buffalo wings overlooking the park. It's a nice spot. And our food. Honey mustard wings and garlic parmesan. Yum.
I've been here a lot of times.
Rona likes to go here. We've had this delivered and they're so good. Well, let's eat.
I got two rice. How was it? How was the food?
Honey mustard sweet and then really spicy after you finish chewing. And the garlic parmesan, it was hot as soon as you put it in your mouth.
Right.
But they were really good.
So you enjoy so far?
Yeah. Have a look.
It's empty. Ciao.
Supermercado, all these little stores I said earlier. Food. Lots of things to eat and drink. And this place is always busy, but it doesn't look so busy right now. And the tables, lots of tables. Good. We're just going to find somewhere to have a shake.
What are you having?
Avocado shake.
Oh, okay. Got avocado shake. Time to go out because there's a lot of people here. Then we didn't find a seat. Okay.
Okay, yes, we're walking around. We've had our shake, we've had our wings, just a quick look around, and time to walk out of IT Park and wander off home. So we had to do a short trip today to the Civil Service Commission for Rona to get a specific certificate, and we've been waiting around a long time, been here for quite a while, probably waiting for over an hour and a half, but like most things with the government in the Philippines, everything in its own time, and just gotta wait. And Rona's sitting inside, and well, we just wait and wait and wait. She'll be done soon, I hope. She's just sitting in there at the back there. Rona's coming out. Yes, so what's the update?
Yeah, I need to wait for another minute to get the certificate.
Okay.
Because I asked the cashier, it usually take 1 hour, but now they have new system, so probably it will take 2 hours.
Yeah, we've been waiting about that long anyway. Alright, let's just keep
and I'm
waiting.
glad that my Myanmar is really supportive right now.
Okay.
He's not mad.
Well, you don't know that. Okay, go back in and wait.
Okay.
Still waiting. Just gotta call her name. Hopefully we'll be done very soon. She's choosing. Okay, so we got
I'm done.
finally.
Finally, I got my civil service certificate.
Okay, well, we've been here for probably 3 hours, maybe more. I think maybe we should get something for dinner.
Yes.
Maybe have barbecue tonight or something.
Yes, I so love barbecue. So that's a good idea. Let's get barbecue out.
Alright, time to get a taxi and head off back towards home. Hey, bye-bye.
Si Pepe, nakalatan ako, yan po.
Preparing for barbecue.
Ito siyo,
Ah, tanay mong lubot.
Mm.
Hindi maluis lang gangga. Yummy.
Yum. Barbecue pork. Oh, so good. And Rona, of course, is cooking because she loves to cook.
Yes, super.
And maybe a few beers to go with this.
Yeah, later.
I know my cousin would love this. A few beers and some barbecue pork. Hey, Granny.
Exciting na bonding time sa kapanapanabig na kwento ng pagbabagang lupa. At sa mga bola at akawit sa ng Benitong mga loto, lamang pasayahin at pasarapin na dinodaan bonding time with Jack and Jill's smartphone favorites. Pasarapin ang bawon with Nescafe Creamy White. May creamer na ang tignan niya sa inyo at milky cooling your coffee.
Rona's going to cook something here to have with our barbecue or using our barbecue. Onion, a little garlic, carrots and long beans. It's going to be good. And because Rona is such a good cook, it will be good. Okay, what's she gonna put in now? All her secret little spices. And she won't tell me what she mixes in that. Oh, that looks so good. My mouth is watering. I want to eat it right now, but I know she won't let me. Oh, I have to wait. Are you happy with your food you cooked?
Yes.
Let's have a look.
Yummy. Roasted pork. No, not roasted.
Not roasted. Barbecue
pork, then with beans and carrots. Yeah.
Fried together. And as Rona likes it, this is date night, which we have a couple of times. So we don't go anywhere, especially in lockdown. So we have our date night here. You see, she's so happy about it. Let's eat.